Given the data set, find the 5-number summary and identify any outliers using the 1.5 IQR rule. So the first thing we want to do is find the 5-number summary. That's our minimum, our lower quartile, our median, our upper quartile, and our maximum. The easiest ones to find are our min and our max. Our data is already in order from least to greatest. So my minimum, my smallest number is 11. My maximum, my biggest number is 21. Next, we're going to find the median by crossing off and meeting in the middle. So I'm going to cross off these numbers until I meet in my middle number. Ooh. And that's how we find out we have two 14s in the middle. We would normally take the sum of those to get 28, divide it by how many there are, which is 2, which means my median is 14. You also could have gotten that just by knowing that they're the same number. The next one we want to find is our lower quartile, which is the median of our lower part of our data. So that's going to start at the beginning of the data, and it's going to go to where the median breaks. So now I'm going to go ahead and cross opposite to get to the middle. Cross, 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 and I'm trying to meet in the middle. And here I'm at 13 and 13. Again, normally you would sum them to find 26, divide it by how many there are, and that's 13. You also could have known it was 13 because they're the same number. The last piece we need to find is our upper quartile. Our upper quartile is the median of our upper part of our data. So we're going to start where the median breaks, and we're going to go to the end of our data. We're going to cross opposite till we meet in the middle. Cross, 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 and we get 16s. Again, you'd find the sum, 32, divided by how many there are, and you get 16. You also could have known that because they're the same number. So here is our 5-number summary. Now, we need to find our 1.5 IQR. So first, we know inner quartile range, my IQR, is going to be my upper quartile minus my lower quartile. My upper quartile is 16, and I'm going to subtract my lower quartile, which is 13. That's how I end up getting my IQR to be 3. Now remember, it's not just your IQR. Now I have to take 1.5 and I times it by 3. That's going to give me 4.5 as my 1.5 IQR. Now to find out whether or not we have an outlier, I need to take this number right here and I need to subtract it from my lower quartile and I need to add it to my upper quartile. That will tell me how small numbers can be and how big numbers can be. Subtracting it up here is going to give us 8.5. We check 11 is within that range, so we're good. Over here, we're going to add them, and we're going to get 20.5, which means that 21 is too big. So 21 is an outlier. It lies outside of the range that we can have.